Trying to track the risk in my young life. At this point, I should call me who bleed. And always the top of me bleed. I'm so overwhelmed, I'm retreat. Back into the hole that I try to climb out of it. Always in touch of the feet. I'm addicted to sex, addicted to drugs. Really my devil will make me feel love. I don't care what you're thinking, I don't give a fuck. I'm still out there shining as bright as the sun. No matter how hard it gets, no matter how tough. Don't disobey when I say give me the gun. If I don't let my demons out to breathe, I'll end up with some walls, a pair of fucking waves. Come and visit me from time to time. To walk bitches I was ever with, yeah, you're still on my mind. Popping and smoking and drinking is high. Been coping and dealing with pain. Stolen my life with my mom. Yeah, I just be hoping to buy another day working and wasting away the exact thing that I wanna buy. That's time. Yeah, I'm in that double up, falling the fuck about cooking up my friend low. Tell you strong enough for me, like grabbing along. Cause my daddy just hit a new low. Fuck, everyday bad news, everyday cash rules. Fuck when I did this, whenever you done lately. Fuck that poetic shit, got the cold metal stick up to my brain. You didn't know it before me. Yeah, I just wanna run away. But all I ever do is run in place. The tears I cried, it could've iced my chain. And on the best days I can feel my face.
Part about hell is not the flames, it's the hopelessness. And I think that is the part of hell that a person in depression really tastes. The hopelessness, like terrible hopelessness.